Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are zooming in on XPL, the native token of the new Plasma blockchain, and taking stock of how it's doing in the markets, what's been shaking, and what we might expect going forward. XPL is making headlines. According to CoinMarketCap, it's currently trading at about $0.7565 USD, with a 24-hour volume in the hundreds of thousands. That said, other sources like CryptoRank put it a bit higher, around $1.19, and report it's down roughly minus 6.5% over the past day. Either way, the token's still volatile and sees big swings. The circulating supply is around 1.80 billion XPL tokens. At launch, the token raised a lot of buzz. Plasma's mainnet beta went live on September 25th, with reports of over $2 billion in liquidity committed across DoFi partners. That hype was met with a wild ride. Right after launch, XPL spiked as high as $1.70, before seeing a sharp 40 to 50% retracement as early speculators exited. Amid that volatility, the founder publicly denied insider selling, stating that all team and investor allocations are locked for 3 years with a 1-year cliff. That was meant to reassure the community that dump rumors weren't accurate. Still, blockchain data showed large transfers from addresses tied to market maker firms, which some view with suspicion. On the tech front, Plasma is trying to set itself apart by focusing on stablecoins, zero-fee USDT transfers, EVM compatibility, and a consensus layer optimized for payments. One major recent update is the integration of Chainlink oracles, allowing Plasma to support stablecoin use cases with reliable pricing data. There's also talk of a Plasma One project, a neobank built natively for stablecoins, aimed at bridging traditional finance with blockchain rails. And onward from the listing side, XPL is rolling out to multiple exchanges. Binance, OKX, Bybit, and others have been or will be listing XPL to expand access. BitGet also announced a launch pool for XPL around it. All that said, the market is still sizing up how durable this hype is. Plasma's narrative is strong, purpose-built for stablecoin flows, EVM compatible, aiming to remove friction in dollar transfers. But the drawdowns and token unlock schedules remain big risk. For example, critics pointed to the post-launch dump from $1.70 to under 90 cents as a cautionary tale of hype over fundamentals. Also, some vested tokens are scheduled to unlock over time, which could add sell pressure unless demand keeps pace. Looking ahead, if momentum returns, XPL might push to test resistance zones in the $1.10 to $1.20 USD band, especially if more DoFi protocols build on Plasma and liquidity grows. Some bullish voices even eye $1.50 plus in a strong cycle if stablecoin use and global payments adoption scale. But realistically, I'd expect some consolidation first, maybe rallying in stages. On the flip side, if sentiment cools or unlocks dominate, XPL could revisit support near 50 to 80 cents USD or even lower. The key will be watching TVL action, dev activity, exchange listings, and whether real usage, payments, stablecoin flows, takes off.